Hey, hello everyone, this is Celine from It's Simple Artisan Soaps. Not a long video, it will be a very short video. I'm making hand wash. Uh, I stopped buying hand wash a long time back, so I make my own hand wash. So I'll show you all how I do it. Um, and if you all like the video, please do hit the like button. So people who have not subscribed, please do subscribe and share it if you think it's helpful. Okay. So to get into the video, I'm using this bottle. I'm going to make it directly into this. So this is with a pump, which is a foaming pump. I'll show you what I mean. Got this off Amazon. So put it on my scale. I need 200 grams of water. So you can take distilled water. Uh, you can boil your water, cool it and use it. So we need 200 grams of that. Now to this, we'll add our surfactant. I'm using cocoa glucoside and I'm using 15 grams. You can use any surfactant that you like. Uh, Instead of this, you can also use liquid castile soap, but in that case, the water will be lesser than 200 grams. So your water content will be less, and your castile soap will be a little more. So in this case, my cocoa glucoside I'm using at 15 grams. Now to this, I'll add glycerine. Uh, I'm adding glycerine infused with butterfly pea flowers, and that's 2 grams. And you can add just normal vegetable glycerine, doesn't really matter. Or you can add any other one infused. Now to this, I'll add vitamin E, which will be like 1 gram of vitamin E. Now to this, I'll add Optifin, my preservative. You can add any preservative, preferably a water soluble. I'm adding Optifin. So that's my preservative. And I'm adding preservative because obviously there's a water content in this. I'm adding polysorbate 80 to this because we have oil and water, so we need to emulsify. So 3 grams of polysorbate 80. And my fragrance. Close this, give it a shake. If you see, all the oils and the waters well combined. Let me check the pH of this. Now obviously it's really high, so we need to uh, reduce this. So to this I'll add citric acid. I'm adding approximately 2 grams of citric acid. I mean, you can add it like this, or I'm just adding it like this. You can dissolve your citric acid in water and add it as a water content. If you will see, the color has started changing. It was a blue, this is turning a purple because I put in butterfly pea glycerin with this. So you can see when the pH changes, the color of this changes. And you see it's become a purple, a light pink. Give it a good shake. Now on another pH, fresh pH strip, let's do the test again. And that's between a 5 and a 6. Or you can say a 5 and a 4. So that's a good pH. I mean, from this we came to this. And from a blue we've come to a baby pink. Now if you all want to see how I make it, how I make a foaming hand wash with excuse me, with so if you want to see how I make my foaming hand wash with liquid castile soap, just let me know in the comments. Okay, now why I'm saying this is a container with a foaming, because when I see, and that's the hand wash. Now to this, uh, you can add any kinds of oils that you want, or you know, however you want to customize it, you can do that. I am not adding too much. I'm just trying to keep it basic so that my hands don't just dry up every time I wash my hands. I'm keeping it very basic, uh, because it's obviously just a hand wash. It goes, uh, you know, the water is just, it's just washed off. So you all can customize it as per your choice. I just did the basic and I'm happy with this. So that's about it. Hope you liked the video. So see you all soon in the next one. Bye bye.